What's up, mobile gaming fans? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile games and want smart ways to enhance your gameplay you're exactly where you need to be. Before we kick things off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tips, tricks, and hacks. Today I'm breaking down a quick and easy method to score unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes. It's 100% mobile, works on both Android and iOS, and best of all, no root, no jailbreak. Let's dive right in. First of all, make sure your Gardenscapes app is running the latest version. Open your app store, look up the game, and if there's an update button, go ahead and tap it. This ensures the method works smoothly and doesn't get tripped up by older builds. Once you're up to date, we're ready to roll. Next, launch your mobile browser and head to the site I'm showing in this tutorial. Once there, type Gardenscapes into the search bar, select it, and it'll take you straight to the Mod Tools page. Everything's laid out and ready to go. Let's keep it moving. On the tool page, you'll see a full breakdown of what it can do. Find the Start Inject button, it's usually orange or highlighted, and tap it to begin. This starts syncing the tool with your app. It only takes a few seconds, so just chill while it finishes up. Before your resources can be delivered, you'll need to do a quick human verification. This is just to keep bots out and prevent abuse. Most of the time, it means downloading a free app from the App Store or Google Play and following a simple instruction like opening the app or interacting with it. Need help? The page usually includes a video guide if you get stuck. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now hop back into Gardenscapes and check your stars and coins balance. If you followed the steps, your resources should be there. No glitches, no waiting around. I've personally tested this, and it worked exactly as expected. Best part, no money spent, no grind required. And that's it, a fast and simple way to power up your account. If this helped you out, be sure to smash that like button and share it with your squad. Questions? Hit me in the comments. I check in daily and I've got your back. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more guides, hacks, and mobile game tips. Thanks for watching, enjoy the boost, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.